Okay, in this video we are looking at the volume of a cylinder. This one was done incorrectly on the math answer key. The answer key that came with the packet, that's my fault. Sorry about that. What we have here is the formula. This is what needs to be memorized. The volume of a cylinder. Now you don't have to draw the cylinder. I just do that to be fancy. You can just put V. So volume equals pi r squared times height. Now pi r squared is the area of a circle. So you take the area of the circle times height, and that gives you the volume, which is how much space is inside the cylinder. So with all formulas, you do it the same exact way. You substitute in the values. So we know what pi is. It's always 3.14. That's not really what pi is, but that's what we use. So pi is 3.14. The radius is half the diameter. Here they tell us the diameter, which is 11. You have to cut it in half, and that's 5.5. So if the 11 is the diameter, 5.5 is the radius. So we put that there. The 2 is the squared that has to come down. And then this is the height. The height is also 2, but that's a 2 centimeters, whereas that's an exponent. Now, what I want them to be able to do on the homework without a calculator is get to this point. Okay. Now, all this other stuff, they will be able to have a calculator for that. I mean, they should be able to do it, but the point is not to make them do all that multiplication. The point is to have them properly substitute everything in, and to know that if you were to do anything first, it would be this, because you have to do exponents first. So 5.5 squared is what gives us the 30.25. So we bring down the 3.14 and the 2. 3.14 times 30.25 is 94.985. You multiply that times 2 and you have 189.97 centimeters cubed. Now it's cubed because it's volume. Volume would be like taking actual tiny little cubes, or like ice cubes if you could imagine, and seeing how many would fit inside the cylinder. That is everything you need to know about volume of a cylinder.